So we've had our water fountain for a number of years, and year after year we had ongoing issues with large amounts of mosquito larvae living in our fountain base. And we forever was needing to clean it out, to kill them, and it was just a very tedious process that needed to be completed every couple weeks. And then my husband came across the Mosquito Dunks, and I have to say these were absolutely a game changer when it came to keeping the larvae from accumulating in our water fountain. So after doing a cleanup, we usually install one, and they usually last about 30 days. And as it floats around, it actually dissolves. It's almost kind of like a fish food, and it will sink to the bottom. The mosquito larvae will eat it, and it will kill them. Since doing this, the amount of times we have to clean this out and change the water is way less frequent. I think last summer, after starting to use these, we only cleaned it 3 times, and it wasn't so much even for larvae. It was because the fountain got the green slime build up on it. So these are definitely worth the investment if that's something that you're having an ongoing issue with. They're also perfect for using in things like bird baths, or if you have a small pond on your property, or any area where you have standing water and you're wanting to take care of the larvae. One of the biggest concerns for me was whether or not it was safe for wildlife, like birds, your pets, and things like that. And they do say that it is safe. These are only toxic to the larvae. So if you have birds, I know birds like to come and bathe in our fountain. Sometimes they'll drink the water, and there's no issue with that. We also have a dog. He normally doesn't drink the water, but I do have the peace of mind that if he does, it's not going to cause any harm to him. So with regards to the mosquito dunks, like I said, they work amazing for us. We're very happy to have come across them and now have added them to our summer maintenance of our fountain. So if you've been experiencing a similar or same problem, either with a fountain, a bird bath, or a small pond, or anything on your property, then these would definitely be worth checking out.